Yeah, so this another question from GATE 2023. The question is, consider the Opamp based circuit shown in figure. Ignore the conduction drop across diode D1 and D2. All the components are ideal and breakdown voltage of Zener is 5 volt. Which of the following statement is true? So a circuit is given and the option is like the maximum and minimum values of output voltage V0 is say some 2 voltage. So we need to find what is the maximum and minimum value of voltage at Vout. So that is the question. Okay, so now if you observe here in the circuit, a sinusoidal input is given and it is like an inverting configuration, while in the feedback we have a Zener diode and two normal silicon diode, right? And all diodes are ideal. Now we'll consider the case when the output is positive or negative. So we will find for those cases what happens. Okay, so I have a sinusoidal input here. Okay, so say because of this, say V0 is positive. Okay, so V0 is positive and having a higher value, some large magnitude of V0 is available here, or maximum value of V0 is there. So what happens if this is plus, if this node is plus, then diode D2 is like on and diode D2 is like off, right? So I can say it's like an open circuit, and since it is ideal, it is like it is completely connected, right? This is like a closed switch. Now coming to the Zener diode, what happens? It's like a reverse bias. This node is plus, right? So because of that, there will be a voltage drop across the Zener, like plus minus. And what is this volt? 5 volt. So in effect, I can draw the circuit as like this, right? There is some input voltage when Vout is positive max. Okay, so what is the voltage here? This is plus minus 5 volt, right? So Vout is actually the voltage across this Zener, right? Because this is virtual ground. So the voltage across Zener will be the output. So V0 will be equal to 5 volt. Right. Now we'll consider the case when V0 is negative, right? When say V0 is negative max. So when V0 is negative, here this point or this node is actually minus max. So if it is negative, what happens? This diode is for a reverse bias. So it is like an open circuit, right? And if this is open circuit, definitely this there won't be any current flowing through this. So I can neglect this path. Okay. What happens to diode D1? This may be since this is negative, diode D1 will be now short circuit because it is forward biased, which means I can draw the circuit as right, this is 1k, this is 1k, and I have the input Vin, right, and this is negative. So what is the when does this become negative? When the input is in the positive cycle. Okay, in the positive cycle the maximum is 10 volt, right? So what is the output? 10 into minus RF by R1, so minus 1k by 1k. So this is actually 1k cancelled, it is minus 10 volt. Okay, so the maximum positive peak, maximum positive is 5 volt, and maximum negative peak is actually minus 10 volt. So answer is plus 5 maximum and minus 10 minimum, right? So answer is D.